Adivina cuántas calcomanías puedo pegarle a mi primo antes de que se dé cuenta.
Hey, bro. I kind of choked.
You good?
Hey, listen.
How's your day?
Oh my gosh, is that Maui in a bikini?
Right there? There? Oh, sorry, I was just popping a bubble. Oh, it's there. Oh, sorry, I was
Why are you touching me?
This is very special, everybody.
Bro. Yo, what did you do? Bro, how many Snickers are on my